guys, so I got my Vitalic D, and this is a cleansing kit. I'm super excited to start using it by EzyRelife. So it's packaged really well. So it comes with a little insert here. Pretty simple the way that it's laid out here on what you're gonna do. So number one, it's meal reduction, and then we're gonna have meal replacement, and then meal restoration. And then it also has a little diagram on the other side, which just gives you a few little tips on adding to the benefit of this. And as you can see, these are the products that I'm gonna start taking. So the first 3 days, I'm just going to reduce the volume of my meal intake. And then, if you happen to feel hungry, it suggests that you just take some fruit juice. So I'm ready to do this. I'm ready to cleanse. It has been crazy holidays already, and I just really need to get my body feeling better again. And then after the 3 days, then I'm going to start taking the products, and that's going to be the meal replacement. And that's what I'm going to start taking for 3 days. I'm going to start doing this plan. So I'll let you guys know after my 3 days, and then when I start step 2. Okay guys, so I am on my last day of taking the Vitalic D for 3 days. And so this is my last snack. And then tomorrow I'm gonna go back to gradually restoring normal meals with simple and light food. I mean, it's pretty simple to follow the instructions on how to do this. And I actually feel like the first 3 days where I had to decrease my food intake, I did feel a little bit tired, but I did implement taking a little bit of fruit juice into it. So it made me feel better. And after the 3rd day, when I started doing, so I do one snack early in the morning, and then I do meal 1 and meal 2, 2 of these for breakfast, 2 for lunch, and then 2 for dinner. And I can already feel more cleansed, and just taking the greasy, just even not good for me food out of my diet has already made me feel so better. And I really don't get hungry in between. Like, I might think about something that I used to eat, a cheeseburger, and feel the craving, but all you have to do is just take maybe a fruit snack, like an apple or a banana in between if you get the craving. But I just got a regular water bottle. I mix 250 milliliters or 8 ounces of room temperature water, and I pour one of these in it, and that's all I do. And so today's my last day, and I've already lost 8 pounds. So I started out at 145, so I'm getting down there, and I feel better. I feel refreshed. I can get up earlier in the morning, I feel like, and then I've been exercising more, just adding that, just a little bit of exercising, but and then drinking water in between. And this actually doesn't taste, everyone thinks that green is gross, but this actually doesn't taste bad at all. So I will see you guys at the very end, which will be starting tomorrow, the restoration of lightly introducing simple foods back into my diet. Hey guys, so I just finished colon cleansing. Yesterday I had introduced my very last meal, which was just chicken, fish, and salad. So I'm gonna stay on that path of just having the more nutritional things into my diet instead of just going back to eating like fast food and processed food. So I definitely feel more refreshed. I feel great. I've lost a couple pounds, and so I started out at 145, and now I'm down to 134. So I feel fantastic. Definitely recommend you guys check this out. I have so much more energy. I feel more refreshed, and definitely would recommend it. So you guys, hopefully you get the same result, or if not better. And it's just real simple. It doesn't take months. It just takes these few days, and I feel great.